We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. And it's no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.